If you're starting a local newsletter, there's two ways to get paid. There's the CPM model, which is the classic newsletter model, and there's the flat rate model. And if you pick the wrong one, you're going to do yourself out a huge number of profits. And therefore, in this video, I want to show you exactly the model you should be picking. If you want this calculator here, just put calculator down in the comments and I'll send it straight to you. But essentially, what we're looking at here is your newsletter. We're going to get this set up with some numbers that are realistic for somebody that's just starting out. So let's say that you have hit around about 1,500 subscribers and you decide you want to start making some money. Your open rate is going to be nice and high. It's probably going to be around 60%. Actually, there's a lot of newsletters out there that are closer to 70 or 80%, but will be a little bit conservative. What you're going to do then is think about how many ad slots you're going to have per issue. Again, let's just go for one. That's one business you've got to find that is willing to pay you some money. And you're going to put them in every single local newsletter issue that month. So one ad slot, they're going to go out 4 times a month. Now, the two models we have are the CPM model and the flat rate model. The CPM model is cost per mil, and basically how much somebody is going to pay you for 1,000 people seeing their ad in your newsletter. So if you have a CPM rate of, let's go again, low, $10. So for every 1,000 people that open up the newsletter, then you get $10. Then you can see straight away with only 1,500 subscribers, that's not going to make you a lot of money. However, if you go to a business owner and you say, hey, give me $100, that's it, and I will put you at the top of my newsletter. I've got one ad slot for a month, and all you've got to do is give me $100. Most local businesses, if they have a big enough ticket value, roofers, plumbers, dental practices, they will say yes, because that is a tiny amount of money for them. It doesn't feel like a big risk. So if we were taking $9 per ad and 900 impressions per issue, then you're looking at $36 over the month or $432 over the year. If you want to change these numbers around, then that number will change. But you can see with the flat rate model, okay, per ad, because we're going up 4 times a month, you're going to make $400. If you want to offer them just $100 for the month, then obviously it's going to be $25 for the month, and you get $100 profit for putting that ad in. And remember, an ad is just a picture, a little bit of writing, and a link out to the business. It's not complicated to do at all. But this is predictable and simple, and more importantly, the local businesses understand it. If you start getting in the weeds with a plumber or somebody who runs a dental practice about CPM, you're going to confuse them and they're not going to care. You're going to turn them off the whole idea. Whereas if you say, look, I have a newsletter, it has 1,500 people, goes out to 1,500 people every single week, around 60% of them open it, okay? Would you be interested? You know, you can say that's like 800 to 900 people, whatever it is, will open it. Would you be interested for $100 to get in front of those people? They're all local because it's a local newsletter. Would you like to get in front of them for a month? And when you say it like that, you say, I'm only going to charge you $100 because I'm just starting out. It's going to be a lot more of an easy sell for you than trying to explain the CPM model. So you can see here that over a year, that flat pricing gives you 2.8 times more than the CPM model. And you haven't had to sell more ads, and you haven't had to promise more subscribers. All you're doing is changing the way that you are selling your ad slots. And you're doing it in a way that's easier for you, easier for them, and makes you more money. At the end of the month, you can tell them exactly how many people open your newsletter. That means they know exactly how many people saw their ad. Put a nice simple tracking link on the ad. You can tell them how many clicks have gone across to their website. And if you're really clever and you have some kind of way of linking the newsletter to an offer, so for example, ring the dental practice, quote local newsletter or some kind of phrase over the phone, and they'll give you 10% off. Then the people in the business are going to know that that lead has come from the local newsletter, because that's the only place they would have seen that offer or that code in order to claim a discount. as you grow, and you, as I said, you just comment the word calculator, and I can send this to you. You can play with it. But as you grow, what's going to happen? So let's put you up to 8,000. You are going to have the same open rate. You're going to have more ad slots. You might even be doing your newsletter more often, but we'll leave it now just for once a week. And what you're going to be able to do is you're going to put your ads up massively. So if you can then say to business, look, you're going to be getting in front of thousands of people every week, and I'm going to charge you $400 or $100 per week. Again, you can see just how much better off you are with the flat rate model. And the nice thing about this is you can actually use this calculator as you're growing to figure out when you want to put your prices up in order to make sure you're making as much money as possible for you, but also charging a fair amount. If you want to learn more about local newsletters as a business model, go down to the description, use the first link. If you want this calculator and our other calculators for working out making money from a local newsletter, just comment the word calculator. I'll see you in the next one.